Alright, hey guys, I'm back with a new video. Finally, I uploaded, it's like, what, 1 or 2 days after my last video. And in my last video, I actually did an unboxing where I unboxed my Human Races and Off-White Prestos, my latest two pickups. And so, yeah, it would definitely really be appreciated if you guys could definitely go check that out. I unboxed two of, like, my favorite shoes. One of them being my grails, if not both. So it'd be really dope if you guys could check that video out. But now let's get into it, what you guys came here for, where I unboxed the Jordan 1 Turbo Greens, and I actually got a second pair of these. I had got it from my local Shoe Palace in-store the day after the release, because for some reason, someone didn't pick up their size 9, which they had won from a raffle, so I was able to get that from first come, first serve, but unfortunately I didn't record it, and also this pair that I got from Shoe Palace online, I literally just forgot, to screen record it for a live cop. But I'm going to tell you guys why I'm super happy about why I just got it. But yeah, let's just get into it. Okay guys, so I'm just going to start it off. So I had just opened the box up, cut it open, and first thing we got, this little paper, just my order number, billing info, shipping info, and it has a style code, the name of the shoe, Air Jordan Retro 1 High OG Turbo Green Men's Lifestyle, color green, size 8, and size 8 was the lowest size they had on Shoe Palace, which is super dope, one of the best sizes for this entire shoe. And the thing is why I'm super happy is because when I got it, I had completely forgot what size I got. I knew that I either got a size 8 or 8.5. Yeah, I knew it was 8 or 8.5, but I remember seeing like a 0.5 or something, so I was like, oh, I got 8.5, which still is really good. And in my shipping email, the confirmation screen from the website, everything, it didn't show the size or anything. So I was like, okay, yeah, I definitely got that 8.5. And when I opened the box up, it says size 8. And I was super, like, crazy. Like, I don't know if I, like, forgot and I actually got a size 8, or if Shoe Palace, messed up my order, which is actually a good thing if they did. But I got a size 8 somehow, and I'm super hyped about it. I'm gonna hold on to the shoe just because it's gonna go up in value in a few months, like half a year, maybe even to a year. But now let's just unbox this shoe. Guys, taking it out of the box, of course we got that paper. Get that out of the way. But here, of course, your standard Nike Air Jordan 1 box. You guys already know. You guys have seen this box a million times. Even on my channel, you guys have seen it a couple times. I don't know how they messed up that tag, but it doesn't really matter, So first, when we open the box up, of course you have your wrapping paper. Then look at this, guys. Sorry, I can't see what I'm doing. Oh my god, I can't take this shoe out. So guys, look at this. We got the Air Jordan 1 Turbo Greens, guys. A lot of people don't like this colorway. A lot of people do. When I first saw it, I didn't actually like the colorway at all. I didn't like this bluish, tealish, whatever you want to call it. But then after I saw it in person, when I picked it up at Shoe Palace from that first come first serve, I was like, wow, this blue actually wasn't what I thought it was, and it's actually not a bad colorway in my opinion. It is a little harder of a Jordan 1 colorway to match with, but it's actually a pretty clean colorway in my opinion. I like the suede and stuff here. I was actually about to go compare it to my Rookie of the Years, but I actually just sold those at that sneaker event I went to. So here we have the Turbo Greens. Yeah, I sold those Rookie of the Years. But now we got these Turbo Greens. I'm not sure if the suede is like the same. It feels a little different. Of course, no flaps. The quality on this Jordan 1 doesn't seem as good. But it's still a pretty clean colorway. Still a Jordan 1. So of course you guys already know people want to buy it. It is a money size 8, which is the lowest size Shoe Palace had. And I believe only some places got 7.5. So that's why this 8 is a really good money size. Of course, you just have that one lace up here, that factory, how they make it or whatever. I'm honestly not a fan of the purple and yellow here. I really don't understand why they put a yellow Nike Air and then a purple swoosh. I don't think it matches with the shoe at all in any way. Like, there's not one thing which is yellow or purple here. You have one lace set which is purple, but you have nothing yellow, and only the Nike logo right here matches with the purple laces. But you actually have 3 laces on the shoe, which is kind of cool. You don't see that too often with Jordan 1s. You only see 2. You get 1 extra lace set. Here we have the factory white ones. Then we have the teal and the purple ones. So yeah, this is actually a clean shoe in my opinion. I wasn't a fan of it first, but then I kind of liked it a little more once I saw it in person. But this still isn't one of my favorite Jordan 1s. It's probably not even in my top 10, to be honest. It's just something that's like, okay, it's cool, not bad. But I wouldn't rock this as a personal pair. I'm not a fan of the gray bottoms either, because again, I don't think it really goes with anything part of the shoe. I don't really have a suggestion of what they could have put inside gray bottoms, but I'm just still in general not really a fan of it. Oh yeah, guys, there it is. We have the teal laces, purple laces, white laces. It's already, the toe box is looking slightly creased. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's looking a little slightly creased if you guys can see it over there. But that's the first shoe. Now, let's take out the second shoe of this box. Oh no. Alright guys, so here is the other shoe. You guys already know. Not a bad pair in my opinion, but again, not even in my top 10. I'm not a fan of this pair that much. But yeah, here are both the shoes. Please, definitely guys, go drop a comment. Tell me your thoughts on the shoe. Tell me if you guys got a pair or didn't. What sizes you got, your opinions again on the shoe, whether you like it or you don't. Again, go check out my video where I unbox those Human Races and Off-White Prestos. But here are these Turbo Greens, classic Nike box with these classic Jordan 1s, same silhouette of course. Something that they've changed recently on a couple pairs. I don't think this is the first one. They've done it on a couple. We have this SP19 Air Jordan 1 High OG. You guys can see that right here. SP19 Air Jordan 1 High OG. I'm not the biggest fan of this, but I feel like it's something a little different to Jordan 1. They have done this in a couple recent shoes though. But I feel like it's a pretty cool addition to the shoe. But other than that, again, go check out my latest 2 unboxings, or my latest unboxing video, Off-White Prestos and Chalk Coral Human Races. But today's video, we did unbox these Turbo Greens. Again, still go check out my Supreme giveaway, because that is still ongoing, guys. Trust me, it's worth getting an entry in that Supreme giveaway. Who doesn't want free Supreme? Not many entries still, so you have a pretty high chance free Supreme again. But here are these Turbo Greens for the last time. So let me know your thoughts on the shoe. Of course, drop a like, subscribe, and share. Drop a comment, some opinions, feedback, anything in general. Other than that, it's me, boy Shloke Sneakers, these Turbo Greens, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.